Hello everybody, welcome to EPROM for this evening. I am Daydrian. New Bob Marley album Africa Unite to embrace Afrobeats. In a release from Tough Gong International, the new album is set for release August 4 and will feature some of the reggae legend's greatest hits reimagined by Afrobeat stars Rima, Davido, Ira Star and others, along with Marley's grand posthumous album celebrating the vibrant fusion of reggae and Afrobeats. On Friday, Tough Gong International released the first single, Three Little Birds, which features Nigerians Tenny and reggae group Culture Roots. Over the weekend released the remastered album Running Back to Me with new cover art. The late 80s Digi-Roots classic produced by King Jammy, released by Green Sleeves, which is owned by VP Records, is a follow-up album to the best-selling Green Sleeves album Helago Pop. The album, also on vinyl, features the hit singles Running Back to Me and Distant Lover. Running Back to Me by Culture Roots was originally released back in 1988.
We've been together for so long, so long. Relationship was going on strong.
Now, Tommy Lee Sparta has been on a roll with new releases since his release from prison back in March. The Sparta boss, who is expected to be a big pull for this year's Reggae Sumfest, on Friday dropped his latest single, Goosebumps, putting a name to the popular track. The dance track is a high-energy collab with Dancing King, Ding Dong, and Dynasty King.
Ravers there, gal them there, dancers there, money tall like power. Beer vibes, beer weed, alcohol there. If you no rate the link, you no fi there.
I just invite young and rich and living life.
Now, congratulations are in order for Christopher Martin, who is now certified gold in Germany. Martin collaborated with top German reggae artist Gentleman on the song To the Top back in 2010. The track is now certified gold for selling over 200,000 copies. The two toured in support of the hit track that was off Gentleman's Diversity album. The album charted in Europe across Germany, Austria and Switzerland. Gentleman also pulled on Tanya Stephens and Sugar Minott for other collabs. Now here is Martin and Gentleman performing an unplugged at Golden Crust's grand opening in Bronx. He also recently released his Guaranteed remix with Busy Signal and Bounty Killer. That's it for EPRIME this evening. I am Daydrian. Thank you for watching.